Step into a world where shadows dance with light, where the raw essence of nature intertwines with sleek contemporary design. Welcome to the realm of modern rustic noir, a space where darkness and warmth create an atmosphere of intimate sophistication. Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the cutting edge of interior aesthetics. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of modern rustic noir, a style that marries the primal beauty of natural elements with the bold, dramatic flair of contemporary design. As we journey through this space, let your senses absorb the interplay of textures, the contrast of light and shadow, and the serene yet powerful atmosphere these rooms evoke. Prepare to discover how rustic elements can be reimagined through a lens of modern, dark sophistication. Our journey begins in the living room, a space that immediately envelops you in its moody elegance. Deep charcoal walls create a canvas for the interplay of textures and tones. A plush, low-profile sofa in rich, dark leather invites you to sink into its embrace. Accent chairs in sleek, matte black metal provide striking contrast. Overhead, exposed wooden beams, stained a deep ebony, draw your gaze upward, their presence both grounding and elevating. Soft, ambient lighting casts a warm glow, creating pockets of intimacy within the space. Large windows frame views of the outside world, but heavy, textured curtains in deep gray allow you to cocoon yourself when desired. Art pieces in monochromatic tones add depth and intrigue to the walls, their abstract forms echoing the organic shapes found in nature. Can you feel the tension between raw and refined, light and shadow? This living room isn't just designed, it's an immersive experience that engages all your senses. As we move to the kitchen, the modern rustic noir theme unfolds in a space that balances functionality with dramatic flair. Imagine running your hand along smooth, matte black countertops, their coolness a stark contrast to the warmth of dark-stained wood cabinetry. The island, a centerpiece of the kitchen, features a live-edge wooden top, its natural imperfections highlighted by subtle, integrated lighting. Open shelving displays a carefully curated collection of matte black and smoky glass kitchenware, their forms creating an ever-changing play of light and shadow. A farmhouse sink in dark, hammered metal adds textural interest, while sleek black appliances blend seamlessly into the moody palette. Can you almost smell the rich aroma of freshly ground coffee or herbs from the small indoor garden? Their vibrant green, a striking contrast against the dark surroundings. This kitchen isn't just a place for cooking. It's a sensory experience that celebrates the art of contrast and texture. The dining area continues our journey through modern rustic noir, offering a space where every meal becomes a memorable experience. A large table of reclaimed wood, stained to a deep ebony, anchors the room. Its weathered surface tells tales of the past, while sleek, matte black chairs provide a contemporary counterpoint. Above, a statement chandelier of smoked glass orbs casts a soft, intimate glow. On one wall, a dark wood sideboard displays a carefully curated collection of matte black ceramics and smoky glassware. The interplay of textures, smooth, rough, glossy, and matte, creates a tactile feast for the eyes. Can you imagine the gentle clink of glasses and the warmth of conversation filling this space? This dining area proves that modern sophistication and rustic charm can create the perfect ambiance for gathering and connection. Our journey concludes in the bedroom, a sanctuary of calm and comfort within this modern rustic noir home. The bed, with its simple platform frame and dark metal, is an oasis of tranquility. Layers of luxurious bedding in deep, rich tones invite you to sink into their embrace. The headboard, a striking piece of charred wood, brings the primal essence of fire and earth into the space. Soft, ambient lighting creates a cocoon-like atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. A reading nook in one corner features a sculptural chair in deep charcoal, paired with a floor lamp that casts a warm, focused glow. The floor, dark hardwood with a matte finish, grounds the space in natural beauty. A plush area rug adds softness underfoot, its subtle pattern barely visible in the low light. Can you feel the peace settling over you? This bedroom isn't just a place to sleep. It's a retreat that balances the bold drama of modern noir with the soothing comfort of rustic elements. As our journey through this modern rustic noir home comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on the atmosphere we've experienced. We've seen how the warmth of rustic elements can be transformed by a darker, more dramatic palette, creating spaces that are both bold and deeply comforting. This style invites you to embrace shadow as much as light, to find beauty in the interplay of textures, and to create environments that engage all your senses. It's a design philosophy that speaks to our primal connection with nature while celebrating contemporary aesthetics. If you've been moved by this journey into modern rustic noir, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more inspiring interior concepts. Share your thoughts in the comments. How does this moody, textural style resonate with you? Until next time, may your home be a perfect reflection of your inner world. Bold, comforting, and utterly unique. Thank you for joining us on this design adventure, and we look forward to welcoming you back for our next exploration of visionary interiors.